Welcome to another greeting card tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful and simple floral design greeting card. Shown here are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. All of the specific colors and items that I used will be linked in the description box below. The first step is to take your pencil and base paper or cardstock that you're using and simply draw out the design. The next step, once you have everything drawn out in pencil, is to simply take your thin black pen and trace over all of the pencil lines that you'd previously drawn. Here I'm using my favorite Faber-Castell pens, and this pen is in size XS or extra small, which is really perfect for a super thin outline. Once that is complete, you simply just need to color in the various elements of this greeting card. I decided to use yellow for kind of the center of the flowers and then a pretty pink color for the other petal elements. However, a super easy way to customize this design would be to simply change the pen colors that you're using and simply continue coloring everything in until you've finished coloring in all three flowers. I hope you enjoyed this really simple and quick greeting card tutorial for this beautiful and versatile floral design card. Thanks so much for watching.